Once you've set up your calendar's options, it's time to select the images you're going to use. Tap Next in the upper right-hand corner. In the Select Image Source screen, choose from either your memories or albums. What are memories and albums? Memories are collections of images automatically curated upon opening Motif, connected primarily to geographic location and time. Albums contain groupings of images you've previously created, as well as your entire camera roll, favorited images, and other media types. If you choose your photos from memories, a handy slider bar at the bottom of the page lets you select the number of images in the memories. Larger memories contain more images for your calendar, while smaller memories contain fewer images. Select a memory of your choice. Motif instantly begins analyzing all the images in what we call image curation. Image curation scans for the best images based on various aesthetic criteria and removes any duplicates. On the next screen, you can tap on any of the images to include or exclude them from the calendar as you wish. It's really up to you. If you'd prefer to choose your photos from albums, tap Albums, and then tap the album you want. Select a minimum of 20 images and tap Next. Once you've selected all the images you'd like, you're ready to pick a calendar theme.